Ito ang latest chika mga mosang. Bel Mariano, papayag gawin ng Jezebel pag nagkataon daw na ibibigay sa kanya ang project. Handa na siyang mag-topless. Kumbaga, nako, pagkatapos kayo ng movie ni Lani Donnie, may upcoming serye sila or upcoming serye niya. Ito kaya ang pahiwatig na tila may alam na sa Bel at mga marites ukol roon. Ayaw lang nilang munang magsalita. Eto nga, panoorin nyo ang video. Go VTR!
Anyway, Belle, I just want to ask kasi, di ba, yung mga kasabayan mo, some choose to go sexy. Ikaw, I wanna know, why did you choose to take this path, yung music, i-pursue music, rather than go sexy? Well, ever since po kasi, I feel like my heart is really drawn to music. Since I grew up nga po listening to video okay, and I used to sing, like, I remember whenever I sing, naalala ko yung lolo ko. So parang, kasi kaming dalawa lagi magka-jamming sa video okay. So parang it's not just my dream, I'm also pursuing his dream. So that's why I chose this direction, because it's really in my heart po. Pero if given a chance to play the role of Jezebel, since ang name is Belle, willing ka ba? Jezebel? Oo nga naman, Belle. Grabe naman. Wow, nga naman. Why not? Why not po? You know, my doors are always open. Kaya nga ng kantang pintuan. Kung anong para sa'yo, magbubukas po yung pintuan yan. Kaya ka ba mag-swimming? Yes. Yeah, kaya ko mag-swimming. Kaya mag-swimming. Jezebel. Parang hindi kasi siya sabihin. Parang hindi. Parang, syempre, that role is so, it's really known. So, syempre, if ever sa akin mapunta, syempre, I'll be thankful for it. And I will do my best to give justice to the role po. Willing kang mag-topless? Topless? May buhok ko lang siya ng topless. Shows. Willing ka mag-shows? I'll know po once it's there. Hindi, why not? I mean, if it's really for me, syempre, and I will do, I feel like I'm the type of actor naman that will give my all to the role. Yeah. And when it comes to music, syempre, nakagawa ka na ng album. Narinig na ba ni Donnie itong mga songs mo? Yes! Nasa ano siya ngayon sa ibang bansa siya ngayon So, siguro pagbalik niya, paano ko sa kanya but he knows that, knows about the album. May, somehow ba may fear? Kasi, ano siya, di ba, naging judge siya ng Pilipinas Got Talent. Audition! Hindi naman, you know, what I like about him, he's very thoughtful and super, if he has comments, super well thought of talaga. So, he's very insightful. Kumakanta rin si Donnie, right? Yes. So, walang chance na mag-duet kayo sa next, Well, so far, wala pa po kami napag-usapan. But maybe po in the future, we can do a collaboration. Sa movie, di ba? Sige po, sir. And project together, wala pa rin plano. Saan? Project together. We actually have po, tayo sa wakas. Yes po. Yung movie? Yes po, yes. Upcoming. Okay, good luck, Belle. Thank you so much po. Okay.